Oh, that feels good. That little bitch, that's what he gets for chasing me to my base. Add that to the stone collection. Well, I now have an entire box of resources. 5 hours into wipe. Not bad. Alright, we got lots of metal in the electric furnaces. That is very nice. I'm looking pretty loaded. There's definitely time for some extra storage, though. I do be running low. I feel like in true OG William fashion, I always used to rock the organized box skins. Right, this little small box here can be food and meds. That works. This new box here can be all of my clothes. And then tools can go up here. Okay, you know what? I think we're looking pretty good on the organization. For the first time this wipe, my boxes are now organized. I waited for the sun to rise before heading out on another mission for some extra scrap. What a beautiful morning to be surrounded by more polar bears. What the fuck? This ice lake just attracts them for some reason. Quite a big sounding raid going off in the distance. Double rocket launcher? I might have to check that out. What do we have here? Barrel farmer. Feel like I kind of have to use a silencer on wipe day, or else I'll just get immediately swamped. Actually has some decent components on it. And with the scrap that I'd farmed, I could now learn some important blueprints that I would need to build my fortress. So we got the metal barricade, and I'm also going to need the vertical embrasure. Perfect. Now that I was better armed and with a strong enough base to defend myself, I knew that now I could begin to take on my neighboring clan. Now, a recent update in Rust introduced something entirely new. A tool that a solo could use to infiltrate almost any group. The parachute. I thought I'd give it a try and see if I could pull something off. I am going full grub on these guys. Now, I'm only taking a double barrel because I'm not going to need a SAR close range. And I also don't want to deliver them a SAR like Amazon Prime, so I think a double barrel is the best way to go. Now, as a solo, there's not a whole lot I can do. But if I parachute onto their roof and wait long enough, maybe they could slip up, leave some doors open, and I could steal some juice. First up, I'm gonna need some height. This will definitely give away who it is trying to grub them, but I'll deal with the consequences later. Bro, I'm so excited, I haven't done this before. Ooh. I hope this works, man. Let's go! Okay, easy, easy. How do I land this? Oh no! I've gone over! Shit! Come on, come on, come on, come on! We're good, we're good. Where did it go? I really hope they didn't hear that. I hear them opening garage doors in there. This is so cool. I waited, and I waited. And eventually... Oh no, he came out naked! Why? Oh, damn. They must have had some sort of idea I was up here. Because I don't know why else you'd just come up naked like that. That's a shame. Make my escape like a ghost. I love this. Oh, if only they'd come out with a gun, that would have been a heist of the century. Ooh, that's an interesting base. Maybe I could parachute on there. Wait, they don't even have window bars. That actually could be very interesting. I'm going to parachute on top of there. They don't call me the rogue for nothing. Okay, I don't see any doors yet. Oh, what the? Oh, I don't understand, man. How has this not been fixed? After some failed grubbing shenanigans, I wanted to begin work on turning my Ice Lake base into a true...
Unleash your wrath.
Eat Soup, I love you. The mattress cover has changed my life, and here is why. I adjust my temperature.
True fortress. Now, I was trying to come up with a design, and I really wanted to make like a really cool peak both in and out of the compound. And I came up with this, and I think it's quite cool. Maybe it's terrible, let me know, but I think it looks cool at least. But there is one thing I wanted to check. Before I upgrade that, I want to see, will my head get stuck on these spikes that are above? Because I know that there used to be collision issues with these. Okay, can I go up here without losing health to the spikes? I can. Cool. Well, that works. One external down, one more to go. But first, I would need to farm some more wood. Oh my gosh. I'm not going to go straight for his body because I bet he has teammates. Actually, he was just roaming on his own. Think we're good? Ooh. Nice. Jackhammer 2. I'm coming back for that. Thanks to that lovely gentleman, I now have ore for my electric furnaces again. That feels so good to get everything metal. Okay, time to do the second external. Nice. It's always a fairly big cost to set these up. Lots of frags and stone, but it's so worth it. Just having that offline raid protection. And if you do get raided, you can always take your base back as the externals. It's very strong. And with the large number of resources I'd built up, I wasn't going to stop there. It's important to get these foundations to armor just because they could be soft-sided with a dedicated enough team. So I always make sure to upgrade those. Oh my. Oh, that guy scared me. I'm glad he only had a bow. While heading home from a short scrap run, I began hearing rockets once again from the same direction as earlier. But this time, I was ready to do something about it. You know what, Pickles? I think it is time to take you out. We're gonna go to that raid. It's probably gonna be a one-way trip, but let's do it anyway. There it is. We're almost there. Ooh, that's a little scary. Wow, actually looks like that's an online raid. Consider me impressed. I'm leaving you here. I gotta take it on foot. Oh shit, the raiders are actually pinned down by the base. I can do something here. Oh my god, bro. Oh, the silencer on a SAR is a pea shooter. Oh, whoopsie, my bad. Ooh, wait, now that's someone I can go for. Nice. Wait. Oh my gosh! I sat that guy down. Oh shit, these are my neighbors. This is the clan. I gotta be careful. See, I feel like I should go home, but it's such a long way and I only have a couple of guns. I'm not sure it's worth it yet. Oh. No! Oh, the silencer, man. I should have taken it off. I think I actually killed him with that last bullet. Feels bad, man. I'm happy with my little ice lake base so far. I think it looks pretty unassuming, considering it already costs about 27 rockets to raid. It was starting to get pretty late into white, and I wanted to try something that I hadn't done in a very long time. We're going down, boys.
We'll never have to solve perfect harmony. I'm not ever gonna die. I'm just gonna fantasize forever.
Ooh, large battery. That's actually really nice.
Let's go to outer space, straight
With the time getting late, I thought I'd do some farming with my new jackhammer if the server quiets me down.
all of the stars will all be ours. Everything in perfect harmony. We manifest exactly what we think.
Hey, not bad. Ooh, we had a camera as well. That's good. We'll be able to get auto turrets soon. Ah! There we go! Come on, man. Getting late, I knew if I wanted to survive the night, my base would have to be even stronger. And so, I got to it. this will be a perfect spot for my battery. I can put a window in front of that and it will be nice and strong. Next up, I need a bed. Very important blueprint for this base today. And I can actually also do with a splitter and the electrical branch as well. I am making sure every single floor of this base is fully honeycombed. This is gonna be a tank. 10 hours into this adventure, and my wipe day was coming towards an end. A day full of progression in which I'd laid the foundations for my adventure to come. Because if you thought this story was over, oh boy, you'd be mistaken. Because in truth, things were only just getting started. Because this series ends up being one of my most insane solo adventures I've ever experienced. So make sure welcome to a solo Rust adventure, and today I'm going to be taking this humble shack and turning it into an impenetrable ice lake fortress. Will I succeed in just 24 hours of Rust, or will I fall victim to the many clans that surround me? Let's find out. This adventure had begun like many others. Naked on the beach, I had traveled across this 500-player server and secured my very own ice lake. I had gathered resources and fought hard to defend my new home, and laid the foundations to the story that I'm about to show you today. And so, let's begin. The time was 2 o'clock in the morning, and I was hard at work, fortifying my ice lake home. Alright, I'm keen to get my base to a pretty strong position tonight before I head to bed. But that does mean that I still have a lot of work to be done. Raid going off over there. With each layer of walls added to the base meant more rockets would be needed for any potential raiders. And after adding these layers, I wanted to work on the electricity. Fortunately, earlier in the adventure, I'd managed to find myself a large battery. This would later come in handy, because any true fortress needs lots of turrets. But getting my hands on these turrets wouldn't be so easy. Needing both laptops and cameras, I prepared to go on a roam to the satellite deck. It's not looking too shabby. I think next up what I really need is my compound walls, which I should be able to get relatively soon. It was starting to get late on into wipe day, which meant less players would be roaming around. However, those that remained would be far more loaded than any other time of the day. The perfect opportunity for a solo like myself to take advantage. Oh, has this guy got the juice? Come on, hopefully he's been just farming. Oh my gosh, that's exactly what I wanted. Get a blue card as well? Well, I'm definitely gonna recycle all of this stuff. God, that's like 400 scrap. After finding the green card, I could now run the sewer branch, and I had an idea of how to get there slightly faster. I reckon I'm high enough. Let's do it! Let's go! No way, can I get all the way to sewer branch? Parachutes are insane! Actually, I think I'll stop just out here in case there's anyone there. Wait, that guy's geared. No! I fumbled. I'm hoping he still doesn't know where I am though. I did have a silencer on. Oh, I can't kill this guy! Taking the silencer off, going loud. Got him. No way. Is he on his own? He was geared. I'm surprised if he's on his own. But I really don't hear anyone. LMG? Holy shit. Oh my god. I'm out. I'm out of here. I bet he lives in that tower right over there. I'm gonna parachute away. Please don't screw me here, parachute. Let's go!